Okay? What is more important is you know what the question is asking, what the question is talking about. Okay? So, they tell you the sum of the squares of two consecutive positive odd integer. Okay? So, right now there are two numbers. There are two numbers. Then these two numbers, they are consecutive positive odd integer. Louis. Sleeping also. Page 66 already. You further. Okay. Okay, so you all must first know what are these two numbers. These two numbers, the smaller one is x. Then it is consecutive odd integer. So what can you say about the next number? If x is 1, the next consecutive odd integer will be 3. If x is 3, the next consecutive will be 5. So the difference between the x and the next number is always 1 and 3, 3 and 5, 5 and 7. So the difference between plus 2. So it's always plus 2. Meaning when the smaller integer is x, they are also telling you the bigger integer is x plus 2. Because the difference is 2. So if x is smaller one, the bigger one is x plus another 2. Follow? Okay? Then the next piece of information is these two numbers, when I square and then add them together, it will be equals to 290. This is what this line is saying. So I must go and translate English into maths. Okay? So I square x become x squared. I square this bracket. I square the second number is I square this bracket. Okay? So if I square this second number, it will be x plus 2 squared. And when I add them together, the sum is, so I add them together, it is equals to 290. So I must be able to translate English sentence into mathematical equation. This is the meaning. There are two numbers. Smaller one is x, bigger one is x plus 2. When I square them and then I add them, it adds up to 290. Okay? Then I want to form an equation. Reduce means it can be simplified until like that. So now I want to simplify this. I must go and expand out first. When I expand out my x plus 2, I will get x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay? Then you can see the simplified form is everything on the left. So I don't want this 290 to be on the right. I want it to come over to the left also. Then I simplify 2x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 290 equals to 0. Okay? I simplify further. 2x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 290, I will get negative 286. Then you can see I am getting very close to what they want already. Okay? Then 2x squared can divide by 2. 4x can divide by 2. Minus 2a6 also can divide by 2. So if I divide the entire left hand side by 2, then I also divide the entire right hand side by 2. 0 divided by 2 is still 0. 2x squared divided by 2, x squared. 4x divided by 2, 2x. Minus 2a6 divided by 2, minus 143. Just nice. What they want. Okay? Then you can put a bracket, shown. They ask you to show ma, so we shown no. Okay, so word problem is translating English words into equation. Then after that, they ask you to solve. Easier way will be A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to negative 143. Hey, actually no need lah. Okay lah, you can go through this, but I think if I do factorization, I will have I will have x plus 13, x minus 11. Okay? I see this 143, then I think I factorize faster lah. Instead, you can also go through this one, then solve using your quadratic formula. But if I solve like that, then I can say x plus 13 equals to 0 or x minus 11 equals to 0. Then I will get x equals to negative 13 or x equals to 11. But when I go back to what they tell me, x is a positive odd number. So I cannot have negative number. So I must reject this negative 13. Reject. So x can only be 11. Because x equals to negative 13 is a solution of this equation. But if I go back to the question, they tell me consecutive positive odd integer. So I don't want negative integer. I only want positive odd integer. So the x must be 11. Cannot be negative 13. Okay? So x equals to 11 is the answer. So the two integers are 11 and 11 plus 2, 13. Go, go, go. Okay, follow? Follow? Okay, so we are trying to put English words into equation. Okay, let us look at question 2 together also. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Trapezium, these two sides parallel. Okay, they tell you the area is 30. Okay, form an equation in X. So they actually want you to form an equation and they tell you the area is 30. So they want you to, from these measurements, find the area. Okay? So if I don't know the area is 30, I want to find area of this trapezium, I will take base times height. All your area is all base times height. Here the height is 2x. But my base, I got two different lengths. So I must take the average of these two lengths. Okay? So I can say area of trapezium is equals to 2x multiply x plus 3 plus 2x plus 6 divided by 2. Okay? Here I am finding the average of the shorter side and the longer side because area is base times height. All your area other than circle is all base times height. Base and height must be 90 degrees apart. So my base is here and here. My height is the distance between these two bases. But when I have two different bases, I need to take average. That's why x plus 3 plus 2x plus 6 then divide by 2. Okay? Then area of trapezium, simplify 2x multiply okay? Then they tell me the area of trapezium, this trapezium is 30. Then now I can substitute. Area of this trapezium is 30. When I multiply, numerator times numerator. Okay? Then, I don't want fraction. So I multiply 2 to both sides. I will have 60 equals to 2x times 3x plus 9. Simplify. Then, they want me to show that it reduced to this. From this one, I know they want me to put all the terms on one side put 0. So for this one, I will move my 60 over. Once I move my 60 over, I will have 0 there. Minus 60. Okay? Then, for them, the 0 is on the right. So I just need to switch the sides around. Okay? Then I simplify a bit. All these three terms can all divide by 6. 6x squared divided by 6, x squared. 18x divided by 6, 3x. Minus 60 divided by 6, minus 10. Okay? Then I see, same. Same. So I can write down shown. Okay? Okay. Then part B, they say solve. solve this equation, I can use factorization, I can use quadratic formula, but for this one I will say use factorization. Wait. Okay? Done? Gerald? Okay. When they never specify how to solve, you can use factorization, you can use quadratic formula. For me, I saw the factorization already. So I think use factorization for me faster. Then x plus 5 equals to 0 or x minus 2 equals to 0, x equals to minus 5 or x equals to 2. Then because this one got story one, what is x? X is a length. So if x is a length, x cannot be negative. 2x must be a positive number. So again, I must reject my negative x. Okay? So this one I must reject. Then, find the length of BC. Let me go back to the picture. BC is 2x plus 6. So I want to know what is 2x plus 6. Okay? Length of BC is 2x plus 6. So, 2x plus 6 is equals to 2. My x is 2. So I substitute x with 2. cm. Reject because it cannot be the answer. Although it satisfies the equation. If I solve this equation, negative 5 put inside also can be a solution. Huh? It cannot be the answer because we have a story one. The story is your x is a measurement of the length. So if x is minus 5, 2x is minus 10, but distance where got minus 1? Okay, that's why we have to say that x equals to negative number cannot be an answer. Okay, that is the meaning, or that is the reason why I reject. X can only be a positive number because x is a distance. Okay? Okay, try. Question 3. Try on your own. Try on your own. Try to translate the English words into equation. Try. Don't understand which one? The whole thing.